Winter sa boy.
Yes, hindi na kami ko na.
So again, good evening, FPM family!
Who's celebrating his 50th birthday?
J-A-Y, it's Pastor J! We would like to bid you a happy birthday to our dearest and one and only Pastor J.
Yes, Pastor J. I hope ako na pleasantly surprised. Wala hint at all ako na why na spill ng tea? First,